This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos de canasta using an easy method. We'll start by preparing a super simple, yet incredibly flavorful, potato filling. Then, I'll guide you through quickly assembling these delightful tacos. Finally, we'll cover the steaming process and some fantastic serving suggestions, ensuring your basket tacos are perfect every time. Get ready for a truly satisfying meal. For our easy filling, begin by boiling about 1 pound of potatoes until they are fork tender. Once cooked, mash them thoroughly. Next, in a small pan, sauté 1/2 cup of finely chopped white onion in a tablespoon of oil until it becomes soft and translucent. Finally, mix the mashed potatoes with the sautéed onion, adding salt and pepper to taste. This simple combination creates a wonderfully savory base. Now, let's assemble our tacos. First, gently warm about 24 corn tortillas on a comal or in a microwave for a few seconds each. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Take 1 warm tortilla, place approximately 1 tablespoon of our delicious potato filling slightly off-center, and then fold the tortilla in half. Repeat this process for all your tortillas, creating a neat stack of ready-to-steam tacos. To finish, arrange your folded tacos snugly in a large pot or a traditional basket, layering them if necessary. Drizzle about 1/2 cup of hot, seasoned oil over the tacos. This adds incredible flavor and moisture. Cover the pot or basket tightly with a lid or plastic wrap, then steam for approximately 15 to 20 minutes over low heat. Serve these warm, tender tacos de canasta with your favorite salsa for an authentic experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.